ड्रेस जल गई।
वाह वाह।
लवली वेदर, लुक एट दिस। मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है। So much better than Olaplex. Very expensive, very expensive. Look at my eyelashes. I have to pack. Take a deep breath. Hello. Good morning, guys. It's 7:30 a.m. and I'm having my morning water while it is also raining constantly. I love it so much. बहुत ही अच्छा व्यू है. I woke up at 6:30. I generally go to the gym from 7 to 8. But मैं सोई नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी. I slept at 2 at night because I had so much on my to-do list and I could not finish everything. और उसकी वजह से मुझे नींद नहीं आई थी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं जल्दी से कैसे सो जाऊँ, सुबह उठूँ and get to the work. So yeah, here I am delaying my gym time today. I'll be going from 8 to 9. Just washed my face with plain water and applied sunscreen. And guys, you see the mark on the nose? I got an acne there and I wear specs. और वो स्पेक्स के पैड से वो वहाँ पे लगता रहता है and then I start itching it. I also can't wear lenses, which I will let you know why. Do you see the local train? ट्रेन की आवाज़ आती रहती है मेरी वीडियोस में and that's because it's right here. I have to wear my gym clothes now and oh my god, I need to show you this. Look at this. Super yeah. नींद तो बहुत आ रही है. I mean it's like नींद आ रही है but मैं सो नहीं पा रही हूँ. My eyes are sleepy but my mind is not sleepy. Hi, I am back from my workout. I couldn't film my workout because of my phone storage issue and I have to delete a lot of things. मुझे पता था ये सुबह होगा for sure and this is why I was not able to sleep also because one of my to-do list was to declutter my phone. And yeah, so I'll be doing it now and guess what? It is still raining very heavily. Look at this. लवली वेदर. वर्कआउट करके भी आज बहुत मज़ा आया बिकॉज बाहर बारिश हो रही थी और मैं अकेली थी जिम में. यूजुअली मैं अकेली ही होती हूँ यहाँ पे. नाउ लेट मी क्लियर माई फोन स्पेस एंड देन आई विल टेक यू थ्रू माई डे. Also, can I consider myself a planner paglu because look at this. This is my everyday checklist, my Instagram reels, YouTube पे क्या डालना है, and then this is my everyday planning. And not just that, there is another notebook that I have given by my friend where I write like which products I want to talk about in what video. Like you can see, right? This is the planning I did for the Nykaa sale video. What is the MRP? What discount does it have? How much is it costing now? Then breaking them into reels. Like there's so much that goes into planning, of course. So yes, I write a lot. I'm gonna make the to-do list for today. Good morning, it's 10 a.m. and I just got done with my waxing, threading, eyebrows, upper lips and forehead and also a very nice good massage. So बाकी काम करने से पहले let's apply face mask and today I'm going to be using the Red Bean face mask. This is from Beauty of Jussaume. It is a clay mask which will not dry out your skin. As you all know, my skin is already very dry. And I have washed my face with a salicylic acid face wash. You can see that it has small tiny beads. It very gently exfoliates your skin, but You all know my skin is very sensitive. So जिस parts पे मैंने आज threading करवाई है, on those parts I will be using this Axis Y face mask. This is very gentle. Like even the most acne prone skin can use it. I don't want to risk anything. So yes, a lot of times I do combination of mask according to which part of my skin needs what type. And anyway, the red bean mask was a pore refreshing mask, right? So it's gonna work very nicely on these parts of my area. Generally मैं उसे पूरे face पे apply करती हूँ, but just today because अभी literally like 15 मिनट पहले ये सब हुआ है, so I don't want to risk it. Also lip spot dry हो रहा है, so I'm gonna be applying this lip balm. It is from Believe and I love the packaging. It's very hydrating, very hygienic. All the product links will be in the description box. And for hair, so she's already applied oil on my scalp, the concoction that I have made, and on the length of my hair I'm gonna be using this plum serum. It's a coconut and squalane Nutrishine hair serum, and ये मुझे free आया था. Like when I purchased like a few products, तो ये free आया था, and I do not like this at all. इसलिए I'm gonna use it on my lens and finish it. मतलब I feel it does not get absorbed in my hair. Very weird texture. Actually feels like coconut oil only. Any which ways, I'll apply थोड़ी good quantity में. There are a lot of products from Plum that are like really good, and I have a video on it. If you want, you can go and watch it. Actually मैं ये product include करना भूल गई, and I realized that I have like 7-8 more products from Plum जिसको मुझे review करना है. However, their moisturizer, the niacinamide moisturizer, for the price, it is amazing. Shubham is using that currently. He used to use the Beauty of Jussau moisturizer. He finished 2 tubes of it, and now he is using the Plum moisturizer. Now imagine अगर कोई Korean moisturizer के बाद Plum वाला use कर रहा है and he's liking it, which it actually means it is good. There's so much that I have to do today. I also have to pack. So we are done. So in the previous videos, I have said that I'll try and show you healthy recipe every time I create a reset video. And today I am making English breakfast. It is one of the most famous things that I make, and Shubham loves it. Literally every Sunday हम ये खाते थे. It is basically sauté mushroom with Turkish eggs and bread, and बहुत amazing लगता है. मैं तो बना के honestly bored हो चुकी हूँ. So I don't eat it that often. I usually make it for Shubham, and today I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's very simple but amazing. Literally cafes में जो मिलता है, exactly like that. Apart from that, I'm also be making pulao today for lunch. For dinner, we're going out to meet someone. And yes, I don't have a cook right now, so I've been cooking like all 3 meals mostly. मैंने पिछली बार ही rant किया था, and she also left because I end up cooking most of the times. So yeah, I'm doing it until we find somebody, or sometimes we order outside. But the problem is कि मुझे ही बाहर का खाना नहीं पसंद है, so I end up cooking it for my own mental peace. So I was saying I'm gonna make pulao also. Very easy to make, and I'm sure शायद आप लोग already घर पे बनाते होंगे, but I'll just show you. And by the way, I share a lot of what I eat in a day, how I work out, a lot of wellness things as well on my Instagram, on stories. I'm very active there. So if you want like some ideas of what to eat for breakfast, for lunch, like how do you do healthy eating and how do you maintain it, so you can follow me there. A lot of people have messaged me there actually that they find this very motivating and it gives them ideas कि क्या खाना है, because I so relate with it कि खाने से ज़्यादा ना इसमें प्रॉब्लम होती है कि क्या खाऊं. सो नाउ आई काइंड ऑफ हैव अ फेयर शेयर ऑफ आइडिया कि मुझे क्या खाना है, और मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस अब हो गए हैं. सो गेटिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, आई एम मेकिंग पुलाव. आई यूजुअली फॉलो द सेम रेसिपी विद किनोआ, बट टुडे आई एम मेकिंग इट विद राइस बिकॉज शुभम प्रेफर्स राइस ओवर किनोआ. एंड येस, तो आप दोनों तरीके से बना सकते हो, एंड इट्स वेरी टेस्टी एंड वेरी ईजी. बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग, आई एम ऑब्वियसली गोना मेक माई सेल्फ अ कॉफ़ी बिकॉज मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. मुझे ना 9:30 बजे भूख लग जाती है, एंड इट्स 10:30 I guess. I'll make a quick paneer sandwich, like my famous paneer sandwich. मैं उसे आँख बंद करके भी बना सकती हूँ. Very healthy and very quick. So I'll make that and iced coffee for myself, and then see you again. at the mess. That's my breakfast, and it is very, very messy. But we are going to clean this right away. Reminder to wash your cushion covers. I feel so much better already. I wasted the whole day yesterday because मेरा घर इतना messy था and I did not know what to do and I had so much on my to-do list कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था. Plus I had not slept well. I was very in like आलसी mode but also guilty. So the first thing I had to do was this, even like while eating the breakfast literally. Post this, I'm gonna make that English breakfast and the pulao because I want to get done with the kitchen work. Then I have to do packing. I'm traveling and I'm going to see my mom, dad and my brother, and I'm very, very excited. I'm gonna spend like good 10 days with them at least. Take care of my mom, dad and also my brother. There's something weird with the milk today. I'm finally now going to give you the recipe. I've called for some groceries, ज़्यादा नहीं because I'm anyway traveling. Paneer almost every day आता है literally. Makhanas because my makhana is over and I want something with tea in the evening. So I called for a small packet and eggs. Guys, by the way, if you haven't tried this brand, this is Noise. So I used to use Govardhan Paneer, which is much better than Amul Paneer. And 3-4 दिनों से Govardhan Paneer is out of stock and we consume paneer a lot. Yeah, then 2 दिन से मैं ये brand मंगवा रही हूँ Noise. And the paneer is super duper soft. And guys, eat protein अच्छे से. I consume all eggs, paneer and chicken almost every day. अगर आप vegetarian हो, please पनीर खाओ, जितना खा सकते हो खाओ. And otherwise you'll have to rely on protein powders. I use protein powder as supplement जब मुझे chicken वगैरह नहीं मिल रहा है because you know you can't be eating just पनीर or just egg every day. थोड़ा bore हो जाता है. Plus I am a 3 meal person. मुझे breakfast, lunch, dinner चाहिए होता है in small proportion, but I need it and I need it to be healthy. I do cheat a lot because जब मुझे cheat करना है ना तो मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. मुझे वही खाना है जो मुझे खाना है. अगर आप घर पे पनीर बना सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. I cannot, मतलब बना सकती हूँ but I really don't want to like invest so much time in doing this because अभी मेरा already बहुत time cooking वगैरह में जाता है and I'm really wanting to hire a cook because I can't. I want to focus on other things. There's nothing such as too much protein. So consume as much as you want. If you're vegetarian, consume as much paneer as you can. Of course, unless it is not fake. And be careful because मैंने अभी recently Delhi की news पढ़ी थी जहाँ पे quintals of fake paneer supply हो रहा था. अब मैं बड़बड़ करना बंद करती हूँ and let me give you the recipe. For mushroom, add butter and chili oil in the pan. Then you have to add a lot of chopped garlic. Be very generous with it. Then saute it for a minute or so. Then add a lot of mushroom. Again saute it. And in spices, you have to add salt, black pepper and chili flakes if you want. Keep it on the pan like for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see it turning a little brown and it will start smelling good and also look very amazing. That's it. That's how simple it is. Now this is a very different kind of omelette that I make. It is very fluffy and yummy. Take 2 to 3 eggs as per your own choice. Add salt and black pepper. Now whisk the eggs. Now take the pan, brush the butter all over and add the whisked egg mixture. You can also add a cheese slice. This is how I like to add it, like break it into multiple pieces and add it all over. Make sure the flame is very, very low, like the lowest, because you don't want the eggs to solidify instantly, because this is how you have to make the eggs. Like you twist the pan as soon as a part of it solidifies and this is how it becomes. It is very soft, very fluffy and very very yummy. Give it a shot once and you will love it. Uske baad toast the breads, put a little bit of butter, and I like to toast it on the pan in which I had made the mushrooms so that uska chili oil and flavor absorb ho jaye. And that's it. Plate it all together, the eggs, the mushroom and the breads. I am literally salivating. ये बहुत यम होता है, बिल्कुल cafe style. And this is him enjoying the food. Do you want more bread या फिर eggs? तो वही ना दोनों. Guys, I'm having the mushroom. It's so good. Amazing. You can actually use it in many ways. You can put it on top of the bread, उसपे cheese slice डाल दो, उसको toast कर लो. मैं तो थक गई. So for the pulao, take a bowl. This is how you use the soya bean, okay? Soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes and do the same with the rice as well. In vegetables, take onions, capsicum, carrot, mushroom, spring onions, tomato, garlic and ginger. Basically take everything that's there in your kitchen, and that is why it is a loaded veggie pulao. Then take ghee, put it in the pressure cooker, add jeera and hing if you want. Now add the onions, let it caramelize a little bit. Then you can add ginger, garlic and also green chilies if you want. Then you can add mushrooms, spring onions and let it cook for a minute or so. Then you can add rest of the vegetables. Honestly, there is no order in which you have to add vegetables. So here now I've added shimla mirch, carrots and also some tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. I was very generous with tomatoes because I love them. And in spices, I usually go with Kitchen King masala and a little bit of biryani masala for that kick, turmeric, red chili powder, salt. Please don't ask me how much because I usually eyeball it, and a little bit of black pepper powder. Once the soya bean is soaked in water for 10 to 15 minutes, squeeze out the excess water and then add it to all the vegetables. Let all these vegetables cook for like 5 minutes and then add rice and water. Let it give 2-3 whistles and you're done. Also made this chutney with tomato, onion, garlic, Kashmiri lal mirch, black salt and salt. This tastes really good with pulao and curd. Back from shower and my skin is screaming for moisture because मैंने clay mask थोड़ी ज़्यादा देर रख लिया. I'm using this as my first step and I'll go very very gentle with my skin today. You see, there's a new spot and it's raining outside as usual. Next, I am using One Thing moisturizer. This is a Centella soothing cream, और because आज threading वगैरह करवाया है तो this is just perfect. It's gonna soothe my skin. Sorry, fan was on, guys. For eyes, I'm using this Amino Eye Cream which smells like shit. But paise lage hain, guys. By the way, I know I spoke about this in one of my recent videos that it smells like mara hua chooha. And my friend said something about this cream, that it smells like something, and it is so true and I can't say it in this video. It was so funny. Anyway, I spoke to the brand about this eye cream. I spoke to the Amino owner, but she refused to take it back and replace it with another one because she says that every eye cream has a pungent smell, but somehow I feel this has बहुत ज़्यादा pungent smell. और मुझे किसी और ने बोला था it smells like sandalwood. However, I'm gonna use it. और मेरे पास दिन के लिए सिर्फ यही है, एक ये है और एक कोडाली है. Next, I'm using this sunscreen from BOJ. Very hydrating. I need lip balm. Wow, I feel so good. Simply Nam cupcake for lips. By the way, as usual, I'll put all the links in the description box. मैं अपनी स्किन केयर करते हुए रीसेट में इसलिए दिखाती हूँ so that you know that I actually promote what I use. And of course I cannot show you a lot because you can, oh my god, my phone was about to fall. You can see बहुत ज़्यादा है. हमारे पास स्किन केयर, एंड देयर इज लॉट इन द बाथरूम, देयर इज वन अनदर क्रेट, एंड इसके अलावा भी और जगह रखे हुए हैं स्किन केयर. सो like I keep shuffling with my routine. Like today my skin is feeling sensitive, not feeling sensitive, but because threading वगैरह करवाया है, so I used very soothing products. And you must have noticed that I did not apply hair mask on my lens. That's because we are going to use something magical. It's this. This is K18. Some of you might have heard about it. जिन्होंने नहीं सुना है, it's so much better than Olaplex. आई लव इट. मेरे बालों में बिल्कुल जान नहीं है, एंड मैंने 4 साल बाद बहुत सोचने के बाद आई कलर्ड माई हेयर. लाइक एक्चुअली 5 years आई यूज टू थिंक अबाउट कलरिंग माई हेयर एवरी ईयर, बट देन आई वॉज लाइक यार मेरे बाल ही कितने हैं, ख़राब हो जाएंगे ये वो. सो आई गॉट माई हेयर कलर्ड. ऑफकोर्स इट वॉज अ नो ब्लीच थिंग, एंड साथ में आई बॉट दिस very expensive, very expensive. Like it burnt a hole in my pocket, but very good. So in your damp hair you have to take one pump of this and then you have to rub it. Now look at it. Basically ये sunscreen type turn हो जाते हैं. Only then you have to apply it. मेरे बाल कलर करने के बाद एक्चुअली ख़राब नहीं हुए, बिकॉज आई हैव बिन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देम अ लॉट, एंड नो आई डू नॉट गेट एनी ट्रीटमेंट्स डन बिकॉज मेरे बाल ही कितने हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सम मोर एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन माई एंड्स. Basically this reverses damage. It says it's a bond treatment and the molecules are so small that it actually penetrates into your hair. Very expensive but amazing product. And yes, I did not put it in my Nykaa sale recommendations या कहीं पे भी, because this is not available on Nykaa. I got it from a salon, but you can get it at other places. I'll check and I'll link it. Another important thing is after applying 4 minute बाद you have to like actually blow dry your hair or dry your hair with a dryer. Basically it needs a little heat so that it can activate. So we are going to use my Dyson. Good part about Dyson is कि इसकी वायर्स बहुत लंबी है, and I love it. By the way, मैंने एक Dyson पे वीडियो शूट किया है. Using this body lotion, it smells incredible. Look at the size, and this is just for 250 rupees. Get this, guys. मैं बहुत बार बात कर चुकी हूँ इसके बारे में in my Nykaa video, Chemist at Play video. See, mine is actually over. And now I'm very hungry. So we are going to eat the pulao that we made. Come, let me show you. Here's my lunch. Let's taste it. थोड़ा सा नमक कम है. I think the chutney will balance it. तो भी खा के देख, सच में बहुत टेस्टी है. Also guys, if you notice, इसमें राइस बहुत कम है and vegetable बहुत ज़्यादा है. I am always very generous with the vegetables, which is why I call it loaded veggie pulao. And yes, put a lot of vegetables यार, कुछ नहीं होता. राइस कम खाओ. And it is raining outside. Hi, शाम के 5:30 बज रहे हैं and I'm having my tea and makhanas. I feel like this reset video is becoming just about food, but it is much more than that. I literally have just 1 hour to pack because 6:30 पे we have to leave. Pack and get ready, by the way. तो I'll try कि अभी जितना packing हो सके that I'll do, plus बाकी चीज़ें मैं आके करूँगी. Last 2 days have been such कि मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ because I have a few things to order online and my mind is just not able to decide what do I buy. And I am a person जैसे impromptu purchases नहीं होते. Let's say I'm buying a lipstick. If I'm confused between 2 shades, I will not buy it until I am like 1000% sure. It's a different thing if I don't end up liking it once it gets delivered या ऐसा कुछ. I can show you my bags. डाल के रखना है. I'm still very new to Dyson and मैंने बस ऐसे कर लिया अपने बाल कि अच्छे लगे. not really curled it, although मैंने थोड़ा कर्लर यूज़ किया है, थोड़ा वॉल्यूमनाइजर यूज़ किया है, थोड़ा ब्लो ड्राई वाला यूज़ किया है, because I am in hurry. And yes, let's get ready. I was doing my makeup, so I wanted to show you mascara, और मैं बहुत दिनों बाद यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Look at my eyelashes. This is the one where I've applied. We are here for dinner. Hi. Hello. I am back. I have so much to do. I have to pack and I don't want to show you the mess, but let me show you. Look at the mess. I really want to just sleep. Oh, but I have to remove my makeup, take a deep breath and जल्दी start the packing. I cannot think कि मैं tired हूँ. Love my makeup today. आज मेरे साथ इतने मिसहैप हुए हैं. जो मैंने ड्रेस किया था, जो मैं पहन के जाने वाली थी, पहली बात तो वो ड्रेस आयरन करते करते वो ड्रेस जल गई. इट्स नॉट बर्न्ड एग्जैक्टली, बट जो आयरन के नीचे का जो वो होता है, जो बेस होता है, उसका पूरा एग्जैक्ट इम्प्रेशन मेरी ड्रेस पे आ चुका है. तो कहाँ रखी है, आई डोंट हैव द एनर्जी. एंड उसके बाद मैंने सोचा चलो फिर भी मैं पहन लूँगी, क्योंकि वो मेरे एग्जैक्ट बालों के ना बीच में आ रही थी. एंड एज सून एज आई वोर इट, मैंने उसको इतनी ध्यान से पहना था, उसके बाद भी उसके एग्जैक्ट यहाँ पे मेकअप लग गया. उसके बाद आई वोर दिस, बट आई एम एक्चुअली हैप्पी what I wore today. I'll pop a picture here because it was a thoda formal meetup. It's not exactly formal, but formal and informal के बीच में. And I love the place. We had Asian, we had sushis, dumplings. Actually मैंने अपना night time skin care routine कभी भी नहीं किया vlog में. So let me remove my makeup today with you, and I'll do my nighttime skincare and then get started with the packing. Hello. So first I'm using micellar water. I'm using the Celimax cleansing oil. Then I'm using this because आज सुबह ही मैंने threading करवाया है, and I have to be as gentle as I can with my face. I love this cleanser. Oh, I'm back. I feel good. Applying this moisturizer is amazing for very dry skin only, like dry to very dry skin, because it is thick. This is from Bioderma. I will link all the products. So good. Post that, I'm applying this night peel. This is over, guys. Tells you that I love the product. Also, I'm applying it on my face, so I love the product. Not like other products जिनको मैं कहीं और पे अप्लाई कर करके ख़त्म कर रही हूँ. You know the reference if you watch my vlogs. Periods के टाइम है, so I'm breaking out. Actually एक ही आया है. For my eyes, I'm using this Som by Me. मैं ये हर दिन नहीं लगाती हूँ, 2 दिन में एक बार लगाती हूँ. I think I will travel with the BOJ eye cream because that's more versatile, और उसको आप डेली भी लगा सकते हो. You can wear this also daily. शुरू में you have to be a little careful because the percentage of retinol in this is higher, and that is why this one helps a lot with dark circles. And for my lips, I'm using Indivile. Love this. So good, so hydrating. And that's my routine. Simple. Unlike very unpopular opinion, but even being a skincare junkie, I don't like to layer a lot of things on my face. Done with my skincare. I have started my packing. I think I'll finish it in half an hour. This was so quick. I just printed out my tags और वहाँ पे bag drop कर दिया. You can see the guy is dropping the bag, and that's it. You don't have to talk to anyone. I got done with everything in literally 15 minutes. सुबह के 5:30 बज रहे थे and I still decided to go to Nykaa store and try a few lipsticks. First one was Charlotte Tilbury Wedding Bells. Did not look good on me. It washed me out. And then I tried Charlotte Tilbury 90s Pink. And oh my god. This is the most stunning pink I've ever seen. So glamorous. And the formula is amazing. Then I tried Bobbi Brown Pink Buff and I have no words. Too good. Guess what did I buy? Hello, I am back in my hometown, and first of all I'm very sorry if you can hear some kind of background music because I'm trying to shoot since the last 2 days just the planner setup part, which I did not earlier, but the music is just not stopping, so I decided ki ab so I have to. So yes, I'm in my hometown. This is my mom and dad's room and I feel so good. And now let's do the planner setup. I will keep this part of the video very short because I know abhi tak ki video already बहुत लंबी हो चुकी है, but it was quite fun. So yes, if I have to talk about the month of July, my mantra was month of reclaiming and rising, and I'm so happy I did. If you guys have watched my previous July reset video, you know I was very motivated for everything and I said that I'm gonna achieve every single thing that I've written. I did achieve 80% of the things. Now talking about the highlights of this month last year we got rockified, and on that date Shubham planned a date night for us, which was very nice. The venue was a surprise for me. He did not tell me beforehand, and it was a Korean and Japanese restaurant, and I absolutely enjoyed every single thing. I'll pop some pictures here. And the second highlight, that we celebrated Tej. It was my first Tej after the wedding, so it was super fun. We danced a lot, we got ready. I also shot a short, very quick, like get ready with me, and मैं सच में literally 10 मिनट में तैयार हुई थी. So I'll post a reel on that as well. Talking about accomplishments, I loved my content creation this month. I posted a lot. I also wanted to get back to the usual eating that I do, and I feel so much better. My body feels lighter. When I eat the food that I have been eating since the past 6 months, I automatically feel better. So yes, I'm really happy with the progress so far. Now talking about the resolution of the next month, I definitely want to be consistent and disciplined. A few things I could not do, like driving. I just couldn't, and I will try and do it this month. Also, I feel I was running very cut to cut on all the social media, like deadlines, as in deadlines that I had set for myself. So now I want to plan ahead and also keep the content ready. Like I usually plan ahead, but you know, editing, shooting, creating takes a lot of time. So I might, like, you know, run a sprint with myself, जो generally हम companies में करते हैं. Apart from that, I did not get my sports bra this month as well. I have still been working out in just that one sports bra. So this month I'm definitely gonna get one. Everything else was done. Raksha Bandhan plan was made and I'm here, and I had to get the eye checkups done. I had to take the doctor appointment. All that is done. Moving on to the current month of August. Now because July was more of reclaiming and rising, so this month for me is month of consistency and refinement, because I also feel like discipline turns dreams into reality. So you know, I want to continue doing what I am doing. My top 3 goals are: social media has to be there, of course, but in social media this month I want to start planning my wedding content. Like I have shot so much. I have shot literally everything in bits and pieces. I want to couple it together, make videos one by one, because I know it will be very helpful and also kind of fun to watch. Next, in health and fitness, I want to increase the number of days I'm working out, eat clean and everything. And the last goal is to really spend time with my family, take care of them. And it's been a long time when I have come without a motto and just to, you know, actually take care of my family, because usually जब मैं आती हूँ there is some kind of festival and time ऐसे ही बीत जाता है. Apart from that, these are the habits that I usually track. There is workout, YouTube, Instagram, water intake, very important guys, eat clean, and also my house help days as usual. Apart from these top goals, Shubham and I both have to do our visa application. I definitely have to buy a sports bra this month, and also gloves. Actually, I desperately need them because my hands hurt while I'm hanging or, you know, even lifting weights and barbell. And also my eye checkups are done for LASIK, so now I want to, like, you know, just start researching about LASIK. I know the method that I'm going for and everything, but what to do post LASIK, how to take care of your eyes, I want to just do a little bit research, because I'm just like that as a person. Also, let me know if you guys want me to document my LASIK journey. And this is the page where I usually write down my ideas for YouTube long videos, Instagram reels and YouTube shorts. And guys, my mom, उनको बहुत शौक है गार्डनिंग का. And she put a guava का पेड़ and उसमें 2 बड़े बड़े guava आए हैं. She showed me the guava and she's like, you should show this in the video. So I'm trying to tell her that she herself should come and show it. So let me call her.
मजाक उड़ा देगा मेरा.
अरे नहीं यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. और मेरे वीडियोस देखते ही कितने लोग हैं. My mom is here to show you something. You guys better clap. क्या है मम्मा? क्या है?
गुआवा. मेरे घर के पेड़ का, मेरी छत पे हुआ है.
ओह नाइस, कितना बड़ा है ना. So cute. मम्मी को अपना गुआवा दिखाना था. ये मॉम के पेड़ पे 2 ऐसे बड़े बड़े हुए थे. 4 ओके 4
हुए ऐसे बड़े.
अच्छा, और बाकी 3 का. अच्छा, एक आंटी को दे दिया.
2 आंटी को दे दिया, एक खा लिया, एक ये रहा.
So guys, if you're still watching, put a guava emoji in the comment section. And yes, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.